right, so Gabe, a lot of people have heard of a CRM, but what is a field service management software and how is it different?
Sure. So there are a lot of traditional CRMs, which is a customer relationship management software. And the primary goal of that is really to manage your customers and their information. FieldPulse, which is a field service management application, has a CRM built into it. But the main element of a field service management application is that it's a full system that's specifically catered and designed for field service companies like handyman businesses. HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and handyman businesses are the four primary audiences for this. And the software specifically catered that. Everything from the customer profiles to how you schedule jobs, customer communications, anything like that is catered to service companies. So what is a field service management application? It's a full suite of tools to manage your business from end to end. And that starts with initial receiving of the customer all the way through payments and getting reviews. So our system touches things like the customer profile, scheduling and dispatching, estimates, invoices, taking payments, employee timesheets, customer booking portals, capturing review requests, really everything end to end minus the accounting side where we integrate with QuickBooks Online.
The thing that I like about that is that when you're a busy business owner and you are managing either just a hectic schedule of your own or a hectic schedule of yours and all the techs, you can, piecemeal together a bunch of different softwares to do the same thing that you can do all in one place in FieldPulse. And the fact that, you have an inquiry come in, your client data is in that one place, and then you can send an estimate right there. Then you can communicate with a client and send them out a templated email that makes your communication look really, really professional. But it takes you maybe 3 seconds and 3 clicks to send out a really great email. It elevates your business while adding efficiency so that you're not having to do this in all sorts of different places. And then the cherry on top for FieldPulse, why we love FieldPulse so much, is their customer service. You go, I don't know how to do this, or this isn't working. You click that little chat button in the bottom corner and you're talking to people who are in Dallas saying, yes, how can I help you? What is it that you're having a struggle with? And here are the resources, so that you don't spend your time on tech issues, you spend your time growing your business.
Yeah, customer support is a huge element of what makes FieldPulse FieldPulse. We understand that the concept of a field service management application can be very foreign for a lot of new users. And so we spend the time to really train you and teach you the tool from start to finish. And you actually play a big role in that for your customers as well, in implementing your processes into it. But ultimately, there's so much value you can unlock in a full system that we start small with a bunch of core elements in FieldPulse, the customer management, scheduling, and estimates and invoices. And then as you get more sophisticated in the system, we grow on that, where we have advanced modules that really help take your business even further.
Yeah. The cool thing is that FieldPulse is a great resource if you are a solopreneur. It's just you and you're running every aspect of your show, but it grows with you as well. As when you're like, I'm going to bring in some more techs and you're going to make it into a larger business, it has that capability, and it's a lot more intuitive than a lot of the other ones. There's a lot of other softwares out there that are just clunky and they don't really make sense. And when you're not somebody who spends a lot of time living and breathing in the technology world, when the tech is not intuitive, it makes it even harder on you, the end user. And that's the thing I love about FieldPulse as well, is that it really is simple and intuitive, but the capability is there to grow for when you're ready.
Yeah, it's really designed to scale with you. We have people come in from one-man shops right as they're starting their business that really want to do it right the first time and get in the proper systems, such as when they're working with the Handyman System, to much larger companies, and some that have started small and grown, and they've unlocked more advanced functionality of FieldPulse as they've grown. But overall, it's a very powerful tool, and I might be biased, but I think every service business needs to be operating on one of these in some capacity.
One of the core things that I teach people and I bring my clients on the journey of is systemizing your business. And this is a core element of that system, because at the end of the day, You're gonna hit burnout if everything is in every other place. If it's all in one core space, you really can go far in your business.